There's something on me and I don't. What is that? Oh, don't. Is that a bug? Hold on. I've been driving literally for hours and I have. What the? Ah! I don't even know what. Oh my god! I just fell on my butt. Oh my god! That's a freaking huge beetle. I have literally been driving for 6 hours straight. Oh, what is that? That's been on my back. That has been on my back. No way.
In a quarter of a mile,
Does it bite?
turn right on Dederick Road.
I don't know what to do. Do not jump. I will scream so loud. Please don't do anything. Oh my god. What is this? How did you get on me? Alright, you are done. This trip is over for you. I don't really know where to put you. Oh, it's crawling to me. Oh, please don't do that. Oh, please don't do that. Oh, no, 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 no. Ah!
In 150 feet, the destination is on your left.
Are you gonna do? Are you fine
Proceed
there?
to the route.
Bye. I'm so done with this drive.